Hi scholars! Today you are taking the Unit 4 Milestone task. This is the Read Aloud video. Please pause the video after each question is read to take time figuring out the answer. You are using the flower you created from yesterday on this quiz. If you were not here yesterday, then I've given you a flower that you can pretend is yours. Flower Power Part 2. For each question, show your work and explain how you got your answer. Question 1. Estimate how much a dozen of your flowers would cost. Then calculate the cost. Question 2. How much would 100 of your flowers cost? Explain how you know. Question 3. How much would 10,000 of your flowers cost? Explain how you know. Question 4. DeMarco paid $46.08 for 9 flowers. How much did he pay for each flower? Estimate and then calculate the exact amount. $46.08 for 9 flowers. How much did they each cost? Question 5. Ali has $1.44 in her wallet to buy a flower for her grandmother. Design a flower that would be worth exactly $1.44 and draw it here. Show that your flower is worth $1.44 and describe any strategies you use to design it. So use your worksheet from yesterday to look at the price of every piece and design a flower that's exactly $1.44. Thanks for watching the Read Aloud video and good luck!